mustache is way better than trannies.
First video of Daytona 2024. Got a couple more videos coming, so stay tuned for those, guys.
First stop,
Peace.
March 2nd, full throttle bike show. Eddie Moore says Daytona, Harley Davidson. You know, we gotta get some eats. Got this event today outside Harley, and then later we got Chevy's performance at Dale's Ales in Orange City. So stay tuned for that. Bikes, big, birthday is Vinicino.
Oh, you motherfucker! My mustache is way better than trannies. Thank you very much.
I grab it and I put him down over here.
It ain't that long.
A little empanada.
Food is good.
All pollo?
What?
All pollo? All chicken?
Of course. Oh, you speak Spanish to me.
Pollo! Pollo loco!
I'm lucky to say empanada, okay?
I love this classic looking Harley. Love it. Lower to the ground, too. The fish tails.
Hey, get down here and show the part on the frame.
Literally sitting on the frame. The Dior, the Fendi, the Louis Vuitton. Look at this. Oh shit. Hey yo! Shout out Zach Photography. Look at that. GPS and adjust itself. Wait, look at this New York plate. Hey, that dirt bike show over the ball, that was the first time I've ever seen anything like that in person. I don't have the balls that lay in the middle. Absolutely. Here's something I've never seen before. It is wild. Hey, yo.
That's rad, dude. It's a Ford or Chevy? It looks like a small block Chevy.
Chevy.
Beautiful.
Blazer. 1928.
My girl at 12 o'clock, bitch, that's my Harley. 40 mob.
I went to school.
You got here.
Yeah. You know your name? Ah! I said my wife.
We're heading over to Iron Horse, coming from Broken Spoke. Yeah, baby, bike week.
Making special moments at
It is packed here, dude. Get some steak tips at.
That's the line for the steak tips.
Nuh-uh. So it kind of sucks, but that's the line. Man, I don't know if I can wait that line.
We're always
Bye.